International Women's Day is a time for reflection and inspires me to learn about personal and professional achievements from many strong women. It's a time for celebration and recognition for equality in our challenge day to day. And when I think about my own experience, either in my homeland, US or other countries, it still amazes me the fact that women is expected to feed a more dependent prototype. Choose to Challenge theme is being resilient to our values, our rights, and our dreams. Difficulties in my career have come not just from work, have come from personal or even external factors. We are experiencing right now a global pandemic situation, and what we need to do is just learn how to balance everything. I like to embrace challenge. I tend to focus on the inputs that I can control and know what I can't. Finding the positive or a learning, there's always something. I love problem solving, especially with my team or even with my family. I tend to quickly understand the opportunity and adjust that and turn that opportunity in a new way. That's a very hard question. Honestly, every year in my career has been the most rewarding moment. Working directly in manufacturing has given me a lot of satisfactions and opportunities to impact people's lives. Not just the fact of delivering results, but I think my major reward is when I see employees growing professionally or personally to become better. And from an operator, a technician, a mechanic, an engineer, that's very rewarding. And to provide some perspective, I was born and raised in Monterrey, Mexico, immigrated through my former employer, and worked in several positions for more than 20 years. Working now with a great company such as PPG and having a team that trusts you and to lead the powder manufacturing team, that's the most rewarding moment. Of course, there was always other career paths that I considered. However, I knew that I wanted to work with people, but the first moment that I was exposed to the manufacturing process and being able to implement my ideas, being listened, and especially inspire other peers, I knew my career path was in manufacturing industry, and especially coatings and batch processes give us the opportunity to have a daily challenge. Find your strengths, encourage your peers or managers to provide feedback and build on them. Also, that gives you the opportunity to understand your career path. That's important. Always believe in yourself, be autonomous, and recognize that we all have similar fears and opportunities. And don't be afraid to try it. Each of you have unique skills that can complement and make any company or any workplace a better place.